Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to change Go2Bank account password. So first you need to log in Go2Bank, then go setting and see the security option and change password. You need current password and you need to create new password. Must minimum 8 character and confirm password. See, password must match, then submit. Your password is sent. So if you need Go2Bank and any other USA bank service, then feel free to join my Telegram. So that's for today. Thank you.